Now if you can see, that's the red signal and we have around 60 seconds to go. Let's see what happens. I'll be slowing down. I'll be waiting for the signal to go green, but let's see. Okay, so Brezza is coming. This bike is breaking the rule. Brezza is breaking the rule. Who else? 40 seconds to go. This guy has broken the rule. Okay, this particular, no man, this is not this one. This girl, she has no helmet and broke the rule. Okay, who else? Okay, Creta is coming. Jump the signal. 13 seconds to go. 9. Okay, who else? Okay, this auto guy press the rule. Okay, now we have green signal. We'll go. We'll ask police wala. काका नमस्कार. मला फक्त विचारायचं होतं की आता तो ग्रीन सिग्नल आहे ना, तो नव्हता आणि बरेच जण लेफ्ट मारून लाल सिग्नल तोडतायत. मी कुठे नाही म्हणतो, मी तर पोलिसांच्या साथीने आहे. मी पोलिसांच्या
लोक आहे
आपल्या भारतात सगळे तसे आहेत, पण मी काय सांगतोय की हा नाही, आपला नियम पाळला पाहिजे ना. ठीक आहे, चला. Alright, so this is it. Traffic police was there and everyone was breaking the rule, but they did not catch them. I just asked him. I have a lot of respect for our police. Okay, I have a lot of respect for our police. Now what Kaka told me, that you stand here for 1 hour and do my duty, you will understand. He said it in a right way, and I mean, he was smiling while saying that. But the fact is, we understand what they go through. Okay, we understand what they go through, but the problem is a few people are taking that advantage and we need to stop them. I mean, jumping the red light is not a right thing, right? Anything can happen, and I mean, if you are living in a civilized society, you need to follow the rules. If you are not following the rules and then you say okay सब कुछ सही करेगा या फिर कोई भी वो सही करेगा, सिस्टम ठीक होगा, no man, system cannot be changed without you having to be changed, right? That's fine. All right, enough of rant.